Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes by yourself. First, determine your filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Next, gather all necessary income documents, including your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect receipts and records for potential deductions and credits, as these can significantly reduce your tax liability. This initial preparation is key to a smooth filing process. Once your documents are ready, calculate your total gross income from all sources, including wages, interest, and dividends. Then, identify all eligible deductions that can lower your taxable income. You'll need to decide whether to take the standard deduction, which is a fixed amount, or itemize your deductions, such as mortgage interest or charitable contributions. For many, the standard deduction is simpler and sufficient, but itemizing can offer greater savings if your eligible expenses are high. After deductions, explore available tax credits, which directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Common credits include the child tax credit or education credits. Carefully complete all relevant tax forms, such as Form 1040, ensuring every section is filled out correctly. Take your time to review all entries for accuracy, as even small mistakes can cause delays or issues with the Internal Revenue Service. Accuracy is paramount here. Finally, it's time to file your taxes. You can choose to e-file using tax software, which is often the quickest and most secure method, or mail in your paper forms. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to avoid any penalties or interest. After filing, keep copies of all your tax documents, including your return and supporting records, for at least 3 years. This is crucial for future reference or in case of an audit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.